Hello and welcome back. My name's Sham here at the Waterside Holiday Group. Today I'm going to show you around a Willerby Buxton, 40 foot in length, 12 foot wide, and this holiday home has 2 bedrooms with a pull-out sofa bed, but it also has 2 showers. Let me show you around. The first thing you see when you walk in, and something I would say a lot of our owners are saying is one of the best things about this holiday home, is the hallway. So you don't walk straight into a kitchen or a lounge or one of the bedrooms. You come straight into this hallway where you can take your shoes off, put them under the little bench you have here, and also hang up your coats. In this kitchen, you've got lots of work surface, and one of the best features is a washing machine already fitted. You've got your fridge freezer just out the way next to the dining area, and as you can see, you've got this open plan comfortable living space. With these ultra modern radiators, you've got a perfect area for your TV and that nice feature wall. You have got a pull-out sofa bed here, and this is completely freestanding, so you can put your feet out or you can obviously sit a bit more upright. You've got 2 buffets that can pull out, and again for more lounging. With the amount of windows and light that comes into this holiday home, one of the biggest things I've had in feedback is the fact that this feels wider than 12 foot wide. It actually feels closer to 13. As you come from the front end of the holiday home, the first door on your left is this really well equipped twin bedroom. So not only does it have overhead storage, a great wardrobe, it already has a nice feature wall for your TV. And then the second door to your left, you have this stunning large shower, lots of storage and space in the master bathroom. And then taking you into the master bedroom, you have an ottoman king size bed, additional storage, fantastic space to get ready. You also have some great wardrobe space for your short and long evening wear, and lots of drawers. And not only that, to top it all off, you have your own ensuite shower. I hope you have enjoyed looking around this beautiful holiday home. If you would like to see more and actually visit the park, click the link in the description or give us a call on 01305 836 836.